Lesson 16, Adding, Subtracting, and Multiplying Integers. Take a look at Part 1. Students, follow along with their instructor to complete this lesson. And it says, look for tens, doubles, and sums or differences that cancel each other out. Remember to use the shortcut for subtracting a positive integer from another integer. Let's go over only 5 problems from column 1. Here we have 2 plus 4 plus 6. So I'll use my 10 strategy here. 4 and 6 give me 10. 10 plus 2 gives me 12. Here's the next problem. Here we have 2 plus 4 minus 6. I have a positive 4, but I have a negative 6, so I can't use my 10 strategy. Instead, I'll do 2 plus 4, that gives me 6, and 6 minus 6 gives me 0. Next one, 2 minus 4 plus 6. I have negative 4 and positive 6, so my 10 strategy will not work. Instead, I'll use 6 plus 2, that gives me 8, and 8 minus 4 gives me 4. And I use my double strategy to figure this out, since 4 plus 4 equals 8. Next problem, 2 minus 4 minus 6. Here I have negative 4 and negative 6, and that gives me negative 10. So I'll use my 10 strategy. Negative 4 and negative 6 is negative 10. Negative 10 and positive 2, that gives me negative 8. Last example, negative 2 plus 4 plus 6. So here I can use my 10 strategy. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 and negative 2, that gives us positive 8. Let's go over part 2. Multiply. Remember that when multiplying integers, 2 negatives will cancel each other out and give you a positive. Let's go only over column 1. The first problem is 2 times 4 times 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Here's the next problem. Here we have negative 2 times 4 times 6. I have a negative here, but I don't have any other negatives to cancel it out, so my answer is going to be negative. Let me write that down. And I know that 2 times 4 times 6 is 48, so I'll write it down. And my final answer is negative 48. Here's the third problem. Negative 2 times 4 times negative 6. I know that these two negatives will cancel each other out, so my answer will be positive. I know that 2 times 4 times 6 is 48, so my final answer is 48. Problem 4. 2 times 4 times negative 6. I have a negative here, but I don't have any other negatives to cancel it out, so my answer is going to be negative. I know that 2 times 4 times 6 is 48, so my final answer is negative 48. Last one, negative 2 times negative 4 times negative 6. These two negatives will cancel each other out. I have another negative here, but I don't have any other negatives to cancel it out, so my answer will be negative. Write it down. I know that 2 times 4 times 6 equals 48, so my final answer is negative 48.